The Hooge Maey has grown into a landmark of monumental proportions, one which cannot fail to notice. However, this has not always been the case. Over the many years of waste being dumped at the Hooge Maey, large quantities of rainwater have soaked into this old landfill site. This rainwater has generated large quantities of leachate just above the impervious clay soil. In order to avoid this wastewater leachate coming into contact with the groundwater, the leachate is constantly drained away to a wastewater treatment plant. The former landfill site has now received its final outer cover. Furthermore, the landfill site is also totally enclosed by vertical walls. In a nutshell, the landfill site is totally impervious to the rainwater. The quantity of leachate to be processed is therefore gradually reducing. The water treatment plant is slowly becoming surplus to requirement. Well, not quite, because the Hooge Maey is now operating a new landfill site close to the former site. In addition, the Hooge Maey is making its water treatment plant and its technical know-how available to others for the treatment of non-hazardous wastewater. The Hooge Maey is ideally situated close to the port of Antwerp and therefore offers both logistic and environmental advantages. In-depth feasibility studies have been carried out and buffer tanks have therefore been constructed to provide extra space for storage and to allow pre-treatment processes to take place. These produce the correct mix of wastewater which can ultimately be fed to the actual water treatment plant. The biological water treatment takes place in two phases. During the first phase, the bacteria break down the nitrogen and organic compounds. During this phase, accurate temperature control is absolutely crucial. To achieve optimum water treatment conditions, the water temperature must range between 18 and 30 degrees Celsius. The water will therefore be cooled down if too hot and heated if too cold. During the colder seasons, the system makes use of the residual heat generated by the landfill gas engines. At the Hooge Maey, the principle of closing loops is constantly kept in mind. Membranes subsequently filter the sludge from the water. The second phase consists of removing those organic compounds that are most difficult to degrade from the water. This process is achieved with the use of activated carbon filters. This ensures optimum water treatment and any clean water can subsequently be returned to take its rightful place in nature. In this way, the Hooge Maey proves time and time again that modern waste policy is a matter of closing loops wherever possible. And that is indeed possible.